sorry if the camera's a little crooked, but I got my gift card from Juli. I will link her channel in the description. Says congrats again. I'm so glad you won. Enjoy. So $15 to Starbucks. And $25 to TJ Maxx, Marshalls, and Home Goods. Woo! Mommy's day out.
Hello.
Hello. My kids with me today. I think I'm gonna have a special day. There's like people walking by. I think I'm gonna have a special mommy day when I can go and use these. Probably not today, maybe when I get back from Thanksgiving, but thanks Juli, and the rest of this video will be when I go out.
I'm walking around feeling free, thinking about what's happened to me from July up till now. Don't know where, don't know how. Lately I've come to realize that I can see it in your eyes, so it's true. I'm so glad you feel it too. Nothing to hide but falling in love. To me it's perfectly clear, we're falling in love. It's true, this part of the year has something in store for us. We're falling in love. Summer ended, but we did not. We started something, this thing that we got grew stronger. Each day we're together all the way. Oh, we're falling in love. To me it's perfectly clear, we're falling in love.
So we just went to church and then we went to Starbucks and we got some drinks and some treats, and now I'm gonna go to TJ Maxx and see if I can find some boots, because I have like no winter shoes or even fall shoes, and it's starting to get cold here finally, so I'm gonna go see what I can find.
Whatever we do, we will be alright. These holiday wonders will open your mind. May all your wishes tonight come true. The love I lived, the dream I knew. This Christmas I only wanna be close to you.
Looking for boots, but they didn't have any boots, so those are my slippers back there. I got this from TJ Maxx. I think it's the cutest thing, and I don't like the cold, so I'm probably going to live in this, and I'm pretty stoked. So thank you, Juli. I will be living in this thing. Isn't it so cute? It is the cutest thing, so this is what I
got. When everything is white, glimmering silver white, and stillness fills the night, it's Christmas, a winter wonderland. A snowball in each hand. Take me away, Christmas Day. There's joy in the air, family's near. We give thanks for this past year. Oh, nothing compares to the love that we share. Oh, what a bliss. A green red delight with glimmering silver wine. You dazzle us all from big to small. Warm laughter and white smiles, my presents stacked in piles. Take me away, Christmas Day.
Read that, but it is the caramel, what did they call it? Creme brulee caramel latte, and it was amazing. So I asked Shaylee what I should get, and she said that she had gotten one of these recently and that it was amazing, and it was. So this is what I got on my mommy's day out. I was actually gonna go by myself, but I had my kids with me. We went to church, and then I was like, you know what? I'm so close to both, Starbucks and a TJ Maxx that I'll just go there right now with them, and it was great. And I think this is the funniest thing ever. So I had a great time, so thank you, Shaylee, and congratulations again on 50,000 subscribers. So proud of you, and you have worked so hard for so long, and someday I'm gonna get there too, and I will give somebody a gift card like she did, and that'll be a very exciting day. So thank you guys so much for watching me and my silly, goofy thing. Like this video if you liked it, subscribe if you haven't yet, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.